Hello everyone. This is my first YouTube tutorials with the first video. I won't waste your time because in Java everything is simple, but they are making it as a so complex thing. Just we have to follow the steps. I won't waste your time. I will make the video shorter as much as possible. For that, we should have first of all as an Eclipse. In that Eclipse, we have to create a project. In project we have to go for file, new, and Java project. In Java project I have to give a name or anything, project name. I can give it as a u capital T. Means YouTube, it's not possible. Means package name should be like in a sequential manner. I think YouTube. Okay, YouTube invalid. Okay, okay, yo, we can give it as a yo, and we can give as a finish. And here we have to create a package. In this package we have to create a class, so we have to go for new. In package, go for package and give a package name. Package name is program. Okay, program, I will give it as a program and click finish. In this we have to create a class. What is that in class? In class we can take it as a hello world. Okay, there should not be space while you are creating a class. There should not be a space. Instead of that you can use an underscore WORLD world. We have to click for a main method because the Java program will execute from the main method and finish. So we got the main method here. We got the main method here to print. In Java, if you want to get the output of the code or whatever it wrote, we have to use the print statement. For that print statement, we have a shortcut like sysout out. Sys out. If we hit control space, once again I will show you once again. If you write sysout out and if you hit control space, you will get the printing statement. In that we have to write the hello word in string format. Okay, in string format we have a data types. I will explain these things in the future. For that we have to, for the hello word we have to write in a string format. For a string format we have to write in double quotes, that is hello word. You can write whatever you want in a double quotes, it will print as it is. If you first you have to save this and we have to run this. Okay, if you run this, it's called the hello world. Okay, thank you, that's it.